Week 7, Mask Making. In light of the current need to wear a mask out in public, we will explore how to make a mask this week. And then next week, you will redesign the mask to reflect who you are and how you want to represent yourself artistically. Here are 4 designs of masks. Please attempt at least one of the designs to fit yourself comfortably. If your first attempt does not fit or needs adjustment, make those changes until it fits you well. Design 1. Sewn cloth face covering. So here's what you will need. Materials: 2 10-inch by 6 inches rectangles of cotton fabric, 2 6 pieces of elastic or rubber bands, string, cloth strips or hair ties, needle and thread or bobby pin, scissors, and a sewing machine. Let's get started. First, cut out 2 10 by 6 inch rectangles of cotton fabric. Use tightly woven cotton such as quilting fabric or cotton sheets. T-shirt fabric will work in a pinch. Stack the 2 rectangles and you will sew the mask as if it was a single piece of fabric. Next, fold over the long sides 1/4 inch and hem. Then fold the double layer of fabric over 1/2 inch along the short sides and stitch down. Step 3. Run a 6-inch length of a 1/8 inch wide elastic through the wider hem of each side of the mask. These will be the ear loops. Use a large needle or bobby pin to thread it through. Tie the ends tight. Don't have elastic? Use hair ties or elastic headbands. If you only have a string, you can make the ties longer and tie the mask behind your head. Lastly, gently pull on the elastic so that the knots are tucked inside the hem. Gather the sides of the mask on the elastic and adjust so the mask fits your face. Then securely stitch the elastic in place to keep it from slipping. Design 2. Quick cut t-shirt face covering, no sew method. Materials needed for this design: a t-shirt and a pair of scissors. First, you will begin by cutting a 7 to 8 inch rectangle out of the t-shirt. Next, following the diagram, you will cut a smaller 6 to 7 inch rectangle out of the first cut material. Continue on by cutting the tie strings. Lastly, tie strings around the neck, then over the top of the head. Design 3. Bandana face covering, no sew method. Materials needed for this design: a bandana or square cotton cloth approximately 20 inches by 20 inches, coffee filter, rubber band or hair ties, scissors if you're cutting your own cloth. Start off by cutting your coffee filter. Step 2. Fold the bandana in half. Fold the coffee filter in the center of folded bandana. Then fold top down, followed by bottom up. Place rubber bands or hair ties about 6 inches apart. Fold both sides to the middle and tuck bulky ends into each other. Pull your elastics or hair tie loops out. Lastly, adjust to fit your mask onto your face. Design 4, paper mask making. Materials needed for this project: 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, computer and printer, tape, string or shoelace. First, go to the website www.printyourmask.online. Scroll to the bottom of the page to click and print your specific download. On the website, there is also a quick step-by-step video guide on how to create the mask. Fold bottom end of sheet and place string or shoelace inside of the fold. Accordion fold paper. Your mask should look like this when you finish folding. Secure both ends of paper fold with tape. Gently pull out folds in the mask. Voila! Your mask is complete. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Get ready, get set, make your mark mask. For further helpful video instructions, please see the links below.